Hello YouTubers and welcome to our review channel. Today we're going to be doing a really special unboxing review, and it's for the SuperBat 220 watt mod, and this is made by Vaptio. So in this review we'll just check out the packaging, the build of the mod, and then we'll basically fill up this Frogman tank with a W8 coil and see how it works. Before we get started though, I want to remind you guys to like our video, also subscribe. So this SuperBat mod is actually still kind of pre-order. So Vaptio, they've been shipping out these in batches, so it's pretty much back ordered right now. Okay, so here we have some of the warning labels. And then at the back we can see what it comes with. So one mod, again 220 watts, user manual, and USB cable. And this is just a TBD warning. I'm pretty sure that the US version will not have these type of warnings on it, but we'll have to see. Okay, so this comes in three different colors. So the options are black, silver, and red. Okay, so really simple packaging. Let's open this up and we can see some of the features that this has. So again, it can produce, help to produce massive vapor. Okay, at the top here we have a user manual. I think it's more like a quick starter guide though. It doesn't really go in depth, but you can pause your screen there to read the warnings. Here's the specs. So this is a dual 18650 mod. Here are the dimensions, and this has a 1.3 inch color TFT screen. Okay, so pretty simple. With the manual, it just kind of shows you how to change the modes. Click the fire button 5 times to turn it on, 2 seconds to change the taste control, I think, and 3 clicks to enter the menu. So here we can see kind of how to update your firmware. So you guys let us know inside of the comments if you would like us to do a quick tutorial on how to upgrade the firmware. So here are some of the protections that this has, the SuperBat. So pretty standard: overcharging protection, overheat protection, over vaping protection, low voltage protection, and short circuit protection. You can see the warranty info there. So this comes in English, French, German, Italian, Polish, Dutch, Spanish, and Russian. Cool. And we have the UK service center address here. So you can check more about this SuperBat mod on Vaptio.com. Okay, so this has passed QC, and here we finally are. We can show you the unit. Okay, and at the bottom here we have a USB cable. So this unit, it actually does not come with the dual 18650 batteries installed, but this unit I have actually did. So one thing I'm liking right now is this, like the rainbow colors on the LED. I'm sure that there's a way to control this, as maybe not everybody wants it to have blinking lights. So hopefully there'll be a stealth mode. Again, I just not got this mod, so this is kind of like an unboxing slash first impression review, and then we can do another in-depth review later. Okay, so actually I don't have a pin here, but this is a spring-loaded 510 connection, and let's see. Well, so here we can see the 1.3 inch color screen, which I'm really feeling, and actually you can actually compare this one to this one. So with the wall crawler on the right, this is a single 18650 mod, but you can see that although it does have a color TFT screen, some of the key info points are not color. So it's basically like the text is all white, whereas here we're starting to get into some, you know, the volts and the volts and the ohms have colors, and we have a nice little race dial there, which I like. So let's get back to the SuperBat, and then again we'll do a wall crawler review after this. So let's we have a squeeze trigger, so click it 5 times and it powers off. And let's just take this time to show you the battery. So there's the battery, and these are spring loaded at the bottom. So A and B. So upon inserting the batteries, this unit powers on. I'm not sure if I like that, but that's what it does. Okay, and for the build, we can see there's a scroll down, scroll up button here, and it scrolls up and down in increments of 1 watt. And so the scrolling is actually pretty fast, considering it goes from 0 to 220 watts. Down here we have a micro USB port, and again the squeeze trigger here on the left, and on the back we have 2 cool LED lights. Okay, so let's actually show you this Frogman tank. We actually just now did a N1 Pro light kit unboxing, and this tank, it actually has multi-core structure. So let's screw it. So it has 4 Cathal coils, which is really cool. So this is not the kit version. There will be kits on the site on vaptio.com soon. So let's actually screw this on and fill it with some BE liquid from Phil Brisardo. So actually I met Phil when he was in Shenzhen. Really nice guy, and really nice e-liquid. So we'll be using the strawberry pastry. This is 6, and you can see here he's nice enough to actually, he signed several of his 30 milliliter tubes. So I'm not sure if you guys have seen these. Really cool packaging. So nice and light, and you know, it's great for carrying. Safe, so the bottle's not, you know, there's no bottle to break. So let's fill this up with the strawberry pastry. My favorite flavor from him is actually the peach watermelon. So this looks like it's a 2 ml tank. So I'll try to see if I can get a 5 milliliter tank and compare that in the next video as well. Okay, so you push down and twist, and there we go. Okay, so we'll let it sit for a little bit longer. So one thing I like about this is this Delrin tip. You can remove it, and then you can use your own tips as well. So we can see here, like I'm filling, you know, the black tank, the black Frogman on top of the SuperBat. So the coils have probably been soaked enough. So new atomizer, yes. Okay, now let's fire up. So there's no way I'm going to do it at I think some other reviewers said that 50 watts is around the sweet spot for this tank. So let's go down to, oh, let's see. Okay, so it does grow pretty fast. So okay, so we'll do it at 53. Okay, so I'm not really a direct lung vapor, but we're pretty strong there, man. I'm really feeling the W8 multi-core coils. Okay, and another thing I'm liking about this display is that you can see the the battery levels and whatnot. Yeah, since there's not a lot in the manual about how to operate this, I'll have to kind of study this. And let's see. So again, 3 clicks to go into the settings menu, and then we'll just show you some of the modes here. I won't be able to test these right now, but we can do a follow-up review. So, Fourier wattage, TC, smart mode, customizable curve modes, and bypass mode. So you can vape it like a mech mod. Okay, let's go back. Let's see. Okay, now it's in bypass mode. We don't want that. Okay, so we can go into settings, system settings. So we go into product info. So this is running the V1.0 firmware, and it looks like it's a Vapos. Go back. I think one thing that maybe they could do is maybe change the colors of the text when a certain option is selected, but I'm sure in the later firmware versions they'll do that. Yeah, and again, when back is selected, maybe it can be like a lighter color or whatever, just to make it clearer. Okay, so we have themes down here. So a couple of themes. Oh, should we check out? No. Yeah, we'll check out the themes. So theme 2. Okay, so that's coming soon. So again, probably in the later firmware version upgrade or whatever. So we'll definitely have to do a tutorial on how to upgrade this. And then back. So pretty simple. So we're still in bypass mode, so change out the mode. And we'll just go into wattage mode. Okay, so again, 50 watts, and I'm actually a mouth to lung vapor, so try this at 96 watts, which is just crazy, but let's see. Okay, so nice hot vapor and a lot more production. Okay, so before I forget, let's just do a click button test. So you can hear this is the fire button. And if you click it 2 times, and you can see here you can change the seconds. So 0.2 seconds, 0.1 second, 0 second. Okay, and then again, press it a couple more times and it goes power off. So there's that button, and then scroll down, scroll up. Okay, no rattle on this. Really nice build. It has a lot. This is all metal, whereas the wall crawler, it's aluminum and PVC, so it's a lot lighter. So this is definitely going to be a really good on-the-go vape. Whereas this one, it's nice and sturdy. If you happen to drop it, it would still be okay. Okay, guys. So this pretty much concludes this review of the SuperBat. We have to see which kits Vaptio releases in the future, and if you have any questions about this, you can ask them in the comments section. Like our video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.